Hey everyone! Having a new baby is such an exciting time, but it can also feel a bit overwhelming with so many choices to make. One of the biggest decisions you'll face is what to feed your little one. The baby food aisle at the supermarket can be a bit daunting, with rows and rows of tiny jars and pouches, all promising the best nutrition for your baby. But let's be real, do you really need all that prepackaged stuff? Or is it just clever marketing making us spend more money? Today we're going to find out if baby food is really necessary or just a smart way for companies to get our money.
Being a parent myself and having spent years learning about how kids grow and what they need to eat, I really want to help parents make good choices for their little ones. And the truth is, babies do best on real, whole foods. They don't need fancy recipes or special packaging, just simple, healthy ingredients that help them grow big and strong. Now, I'm not saying that those ready-made baby foods are bad. They can be convenient sometimes, but it's important to remember that they're just a quick fix, not something you have to buy. With a little planning, you can easily make healthy and yummy food for your baby right at home.
Let's be honest, having a baby can be expensive. Diapers, clothes, toys, it all adds up so fast. And baby food is no exception. Those little jars and pouches might seem small, but they can put a dent in your wallet, especially since babies go through them so quickly. The price of these pre-made foods can change depending on the brand, what's in them, and even the packaging. But one thing's for sure, buying ready-made baby food is way more expensive than making it yourself. When you compare the cost per ounce or gram, homemade baby food wins every time. Not only are you saving money, but you're also helping the environment by using less packaging. Think about all those jars and pouches ending up in landfills. By making your own baby food, you're making a good choice for your wallet and the planet. One of the things that worries people about store-bought baby food is the added sugar, salt, and preservatives. While a little bit of these things might not be harmful, too much can be bad for a baby's developing taste buds and overall health. Babies are naturally drawn to sweet and salty tastes, and if they get too much of those flavors early on, they might prefer processed foods as they grow up. What's even more concerning is that some processed baby foods have been found to contain heavy metals, pesticides, and other things that don't belong in food. While the levels of these contaminants are usually considered safe, it's still worrying to think that our little ones are being exposed to them at such a young age. By making your own baby food, you're in control of what goes into it, so you can be sure your baby is getting the very best. Now let's talk about natural baby food. In recent years, we've seen a lot more brands using words like organic and natural on their packaging. They want us to believe that their products are healthier because they don't have added sugar, salt, or use harmful chemicals.
While it's great that companies are trying to make healthier options, it's important to be smart shoppers. The word natural doesn't actually have a strict definition when it comes to food labels. Companies can use it pretty loosely.
So when you're looking at natural baby food, always read the ingredient list carefully and look for certifications like USDA Organic. Remember, just because something says it's natural doesn't automatically mean it's healthier or more nutritious than other options. Homemade baby food is still the best choice for purity and quality.
Making your own baby food might seem like a lot of work, but it's really not that hard. With a few simple tools and a little bit of time, you can give your baby fresh, healthy food that's packed with nutrients. When you make your own baby food, you can introduce your baby to a wider variety of fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. This is important because it helps them develop a taste for different flavors and makes them less likely to be picky eaters later on. Another great thing about homemade baby food is that you can adjust the texture as your baby grows. You can start with smooth purees and gradually make it chunkier as they get better at chewing and swallowing.
Ready to give homemade baby food a try? Here's a super simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Choose your ingredients. Go for fresh, ripe fruits and vegetables. Wash and peel them carefully. Step 2. Cook them until they're soft. You can steam, bake, or boil your ingredients until they're easy to mash with a fork. Step 3. Blend it all up. Puree the cooked ingredients using a blender or food processor. You can add a little water or breast milk to get the right consistency. Step 4. Store and serve. Pour the purees into ice cube trays or small containers and freeze them. Then you can just thaw them overnight in the fridge when you're ready to use them. Making your own baby food is a way of showing love for your little one. By taking the time to prepare their food at home, you're giving them the best possible start in life. It's a gift that will nourish their bodies and help them develop healthy eating habits that will last a lifetime.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, let's talk about feeding your little one. Have you ever thought about going organic? It can actually be really good for your baby. Organic baby food is made with fruits and veggies grown without harmful chemicals, things like pesticides and fertilizers. That means fewer bad things in your baby's tummy, which is great for their growing bodies and helps them fight off germs. Organic farming is also good for the planet. It helps keep the soil healthy and happy. So, by choosing organic, you're helping your baby and the earth. Pretty cool, right? GAP 2S. Organic foods can also have more good stuff in them, like vitamins. This can give your baby an extra boost of healthy nutrients. Switching to organic baby food is easy. You can buy it at the store or even make it at home. Either way, you're making a great choice for your baby's health. Every little bit helps when it comes to feeding your baby good food. It shows you care about them and want them to be healthy and strong. Stick around for more tips on feeding your baby. See you soon! Hey everyone, and welcome back! In this video, we're going to have a look at homemade baby food and baby food you buy from the shops. We'll figure out which one is better for nutrition, cost, and how easy it is to make. Let's get started. First, let's talk about homemade baby food. When you make your own baby food, you get to choose exactly what goes into it. You can pick the freshest fruits and vegetables to make sure your baby gets all the good stuff. And the best part? No extra sugar or preservatives, just healthy, natural food. Now let's look at baby food from the shops. It's super convenient, especially if you're a busy parent. Lots of different flavors and textures are available these days, which makes it easy to introduce new foods to your little one. But it's really important to check the labels. Some shop-bought baby foods might have added sugar or things you'd rather not give your baby. Let's talk about money. Making baby food at home can be cheaper over time. Buying lots of fresh fruits and veggies and making the food yourself is usually less expensive than buying little jars or pouches. But buying baby food saves you time, and we all know time is precious. What about how the food tastes? Lots of parents think homemade baby food tastes fresher and better. You can try different mixes to see what your baby likes best. Shop-bought food is easy, but it sometimes doesn't taste as good as homemade. So, which one wins? It depends on what works for your family. Both homemade and shop-bought baby food have good things about them. Just choose what's best for you and your baby. Maybe a mix of both is the perfect answer. The most important thing is that your baby gets the healthy food they need to grow big and strong. Whether you make it yourself or buy it, picking healthy food shows your baby how much you love them. Thanks for watching. I'll have more tips on feeding your little one soon. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this last video, we're sharing some top tips about feeding your baby. These tips will help you make healthy choices for your little one as they grow. First up, let's talk about trying different foods. Experts say that giving your baby lots of different fruits, veggies, and grains early on can help them like healthy foods. This can help them eat healthy their whole life. Next, think about how the food feels. As your baby gets bigger, slowly give them different textures. Start with smooth purees, then try mashed foods, and then little chunks. This helps your baby learn to chew and enjoy lots of different foods. It's important for babies to get enough fluids. Breast milk or formula is great for this, but a little bit of water can be good too, once they start eating solid foods. It's always best to chat with your doctor about how much water to give. Don't forget protein. Protein helps your baby grow big and strong. You can give them pureed meats, beans, lentils, or even yogurt. Just make sure it's the right kind for their age and easy for them to tummy to handle. Last thing, be careful with foods that can cause allergies. Things like peanuts or eggs should be introduced slowly, one at a time. This way, you can see if your baby has any reactions. If you're worried about allergies, always talk to your doctor. Remember, the main thing is to give your baby healthy food that helps them grow, and have fun watching your little one try new foods and flavors. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about feeding your baby and healthy eating. See you next time. Hey everyone, and welcome back! In this last video, let's peek into the future of baby food. What cool new things can we expect to see in the next few years? First up, technology. Experts think we'll see more smart baby food makers. These gadgets won't just make food, they'll also check how healthy it is to make sure your baby gets exactly what they need. Picture this, a machine that suggests recipes just for your baby. Pretty neat, huh? Next, let's talk about being kind to our planet. More and more baby food companies are using eco-friendly packaging. Get ready to see more pouches that can break down naturally, and containers you can use again and again. Some companies are even trying to make zero-waste baby food. Now let's talk about healthy eating. We're starting to see personalized food plans for babies. That means food plans made just for your baby, based on things like their genes and health needs. It sounds like something from a movie, but it's becoming real thanks to new science. Experts who watch the market say the baby food world will grow by over 6% each year. That's because more parents want organic and natural foods for their babies. Parents are really paying attention to what their little ones eat, which makes companies come up with new and better ideas all the time. Finally, let's talk about plants. Just like grown-ups are eating more plant-based foods, so are babies. Lots of new plant-based baby foods are popping up, giving you healthy and earth-friendly choices. So, that's a little look at the future of baby food. Lots of exciting things are coming. Remember to stay informed and choose what's best for your baby. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more videos about healthy eating for your baby. See you in the next one.